Good Tuesday morning to Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchurch, and this is your outlook for April 21st, 2015, and a system that was affecting the area yesterday with heavy rain and some, in some cases, strong thunderstorms has now moved out, and we're now looking at morning clouds here giving way to partly cloudy skies today. So it still should be remaining on the mild side, a couple degrees above what is considered to be normal for this time of year. Not too far from that normal figure, but it should be a pretty nice day once these clouds get out of here early in the morning. Should be by late morning we're looking at the clouds clearing out of here, and then we just get into partly cloudy skies, mostly clear skies in the overnight hours tonight. As we get into Wednesday here, we're going to look for a cold front approaching from the west here. It's going to be accompanied by showers and maybe even a thunderstorm here, depending on when it gets in here. But this is all along a cold front here. The cold front boundary is extending down here like this, and all this is out ahead of it. This cold front is going to mean business, though. We're going to have some cold air wrapping in behind it, and it's going to set up the second half of the week and the weekend up for some cooler temperatures, cooler than normal temperatures, by about 5 to 10 degrees below what they should be for this time of year. So we'll definitely be chilly compared to what we've been having recently. We've had some temperatures already in the 70s, and a few spots already hit 80 degrees this year just last week, and now we're talking about temperatures going to be stuck in the 50s for highs for several days in a row. So we're going to start off with this here on Wednesday, and here is a look at Wednesday afternoon. They're called Wednesday a clouds increasing type of day with those showers moving in the afternoon. Might even be an embedded thunderstorm if we get enough warming out ahead of it. But if it comes a little bit too early, then it cuts down on the thunderstorm possibilities. We're not looking at severe weather here on Wednesday, just looking at mostly showers, but again, you could have an embedded thunderstorm as well. Best chance of that would be for eastern sections. The NAM's trying to put together a pretty good line here as it moves off to the east and then eventually moves off the coastline, and then the cold air moves in behind it. We're going to get into the globals now. Not quite as impressed with Wednesday. Does have the showers here, but not really a big a deal. You can see this is just the light grays here. These are all just the light gray scale is just talking. We're just talking about very light amounts here in this situation. So again, this is just along a cold front. So we're talking about the cold front being here like this, and then moving off to the southeast, just like we were showing on the previous graphic with the NAM. Just that's not as impressed with don't want to say snow, not as impressed with the rain amounts that are available. And then that moves off to the southeast, and it's out of here by early in the evening on Wednesday. But then we do, like I said, we do get into the cooler temperatures behind this. Is going to be remaining dry. Looks like straight through the weekend. We are going to have to keep an eye on this system here. This is in the Sunday night time frame. Sunday night, if it were to affect us, but most models keep this system here, which is sitting right here, a little bit further to the south and east of us. So you might get a few clouds of this. I'm not so sure that we get into the precipitation. It looks like most of it stays south. You look at the GFS. The GFS is convinced that this is very far south with the precipitation. It doesn't even get up to DC. So right now we're going to side with no precipitation over the weekend. We'll just keep a close eye on this. It looks like it's going to slide to the south, though. And then after that system moves away, we should get back into the dry. The dryness should continue as we head into Sunday and again early next week. After that, we'll tackle when we get here, but it does look like we're going to moderate a little bit once we head toward the end of the month, as we head to the 28th, 29th time frame, like we had outlined in the long-range outlook. We do think we're going to turn around the temperatures from this, maybe 4 or 5, maybe even 6 days of these of the colder temperatures and below normal temperatures. At least we moderate to at or above normal as we head into the last part of this month in early May. So we are going to turn around. This is just a temporary thing, it looks like, and then we should start to moderate as we head toward the end of the month. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchurch, and that is your outlook for April 21st, 2015. Have a great Tuesday.